till we're right on. Still not all the way yet. Squares on the end are kind of annoying. Now you're gonna know what has been moved because, or you're gonna know what axis to use because we're on the blue and we're moving the Z, and the Z is here at the end. Alright, that looks good. Now we can check in our custom view to see if everything's matching each other. And it looks like it is. So we've got that. Now I'm not worried too much about which way they're facing and everything like that. We can rotate it the way we want to when it's all put together. So now we're going to go over here into our right view. I'm going to click on it so I know I'm in it. And in the right view, we're going to take our side here and we're going to duplicate it. Oh, I gotta be clicked on the layers panel here, and Control D to duplicate. Now I'm going to change these ones to a different color so I know that these are the top and the bottom. And we're going to have to change the orientation. And we're going to go on the x-axis here. Let's see what we got going on. And if you hold shift, it's going to it's going to go crazy for me. Well, if you hold shift, I thought it was going to snap, but it's not. So 270 is what we're going to be at. That's the multiple of 90 degrees. So that's good for our orientation. Now we're going to change our position, and we're going to use this right. So we don't need to use this top anymore. We can probably switch to our two views now so we can see it a little better. Right. And move on the Z so it's in the middle. And then on the Y so it's up at the top. Now, if the video is getting in the way, you can come down to this preview section with the lightning in it, click on it, and come down to wireframe, and then you can check out that way. Now, here's the peach one. Let's check in our custom view here to see what it looks like. Click off everything. I don't want to have these masks on. I mean, it looks like it's right on there. Now we just need to put something on the bottom. Okay, done looking around. So let's duplicate this. We're going to move it to the bottom. I'm going to change it back to what I had it on before. Switch to my regular tool, or my selection tool. Click in here and duplicate it. And move this down to the bottom. Oh, I just selected them all by accident. Looks like I need to move it up a little probably. That looks good. Let's go to our main camera view. See how it looks. So it looks like we got our cube here. Now let's toggle everything so it's all our videos here, so we've got it all nice there. And we're gonna click on and select all of them. We're gonna go to Layer, Pre-Compose, and we're gonna name this Video Cube. This way we don't have to worry about parenting or anything like that. So I hit OK there, and now it puts it all into one layer. Now let's go into my active camera here. I'm just going to zoom the camera out a little. Oh, that's in the custom view, that's why. Oh, I need to make it a 3D layer. There we go. That's why I was being goofy. And I'm going to click on this collapse transformation tool so it puts it into a box. Now let's move our video to where we want it to be in the middle here. And let's head into just one view so you can see it better. Now we can rotate this like that, and it all stays together. And we don't have to worry about it ever doing everything and parenting or anything like that. I'm going to save it. And right now our video cube is playing everything at the same time. Maybe you want your video to be playing at like different sections of the video each time. So we can double click on our video cube here and it'll bring up our composition that we made. Now just take your layer here and hold shift and just drag it, and it'll change the point of the video so it's not all the same everywhere. You want to drag it to the left if you're starting in the beginning. And you want to make sure it doesn't come too far over, because then, I mean, you won't really see where your like video, the video will cut off at the end, obviously. That's what I was trying to say. And there we go. Let's go back to our layers panel here, our layers comp there, and we've got the video cube there. I'll rotate it around so we can see what's going on. I'm just going to use my rotation tool. Change it to orientation, yep. There you go, you got a video cube. So you can animate that cube any way you want to. I'm not gonna go over just animating the cube around. You can do that on your own using the basic animation techniques I've showed you in previous videos. I just wanted to show you how to make the cube, and we did that using past techniques that I went over about 3D space. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Have a good one.